Hi, how's it going?
Great, how are you?
Deputy with the Sheriff's Office. The reason I stopped you is guys going about over 90 miles an hour, weaving through traffic, not using you guys' turn signals.
Okay.
Welcome back to the channel UK Cop Hub. If you are new at the channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel for watching daily amazing videos to get knowledge about the law. All right, buckle up, this one's wild. A sheriff's deputy pulls over what seems like a routine speeder on a lonely Arizona highway. But here's the twist. The driver isn't just anyone. She's the widow of a fallen officer. And the man beside her? The colonel who runs the entire state's Department of Public Safety. Yeah, this deputy just stopped his boss's boss. What happens next will test every ounce of professionalism, ego, and law enforcement ethics you can imagine. Stick around, because what starts as a simple traffic stop turns into a masterclass in how to handle pressure under the badge.
Got your registration and insurance as well, too, please. Where you guys headed?
Flagstaff.
Flagstaff? What's going on in Flagstaff?
We're doing a memorial hike
Oh, yeah?
for an officer who was killed in the line of duty
Oh, wow, I appreciate you guys doing that.
tomorrow morning.
Was it the Flagstaff?
So it was actually my late husband, Bruce Harrell, he was a DPS.
Oh, really?
Same department the Colonel's with.
This right here is a career-defining moment for any cop. Imagine being in Deputy Winton's boots. You've just pulled over the head of your entire department, and his passenger is a widow of a fallen officer. That's like ticketing your boss at the company Christmas party. The way the deputy stays cool, that's textbook professionalism. But it also raises the question, would anyone else in that position still get a warning? Drop your take in the comments. Is this respectful discretion or a clear case of double standards?
10 years ago.
It's unfortunate. I'm sorry to hear
It's
that.
okay. No, it's all good.
All right, well, thank you. I'll be right back. Oh, yeah?
I don't know if that'll help at all.
What is it? You're,
He's the Colonel, he runs DPS.
Oh, well, pleasure to meet you.
Sorry to meet you under such circumstances.
Nope, not a problem.
Edward 5495. Edward 544.
Edward 57, copy 2729.
Edward 575.
Elastic Milstead, Mary Ida Lincoln, Sam Tom, Edward Adam David. First to Frank, Common, Frank, Robert.
Edward 574. Edward 57, negative 29, valid class David, motorcycle endorsement, address out of Chandler.
Out of 7,
And that's how you handle pressure with grace. Deputy Winton just navigated a potential PR nightmare like a pro, respectful, steady, and sharp. It's a reminder that the badge isn't just authority, it's judgment. Whether you think this was fair or favoritism, one thing's for sure, professionalism under pressure matters. If you found this scene as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping Cop Cam TV breakdowns.
All right, you guys, information back. Appreciate your time. It's a pleasure meeting you.
Your sheriff actually is one of my favorite people.
What's that?
I love Scott Sheriff Master. He's one of my favorite guys.
Yeah, he's cool.
I
I like
was
him.
sitting there thinking, well, one of his guys about to write me a ticket. I'm a dumbass. I was going too fast. I got a ticket. And anyway, I was just kind of smiling because I know he just bust my balls.
Yeah.
I appreciate the break. I'm sorry to bother you.
No worries. I was just educating, just kind of,
No, it's all
No?
good.
it's the purpose of the stop, just educate people, But,
Tell me your name.
it's Cody Winton.
Hi, Cody. Frank Milstead. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too.
Angela Harrell.
Nice to meet you. All right, you guys drive safe, okay?
Okay,
Thank you.